Here's some Danse Macabre trivia. Subscribe. Who composed the tone poem Danse Macabre? Is it A. Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky, B. Claude Debussy, C. Johann Strauss II, or D. Camille Saint-Saëns? The correct answer is D. Camille Saint-Saëns. What instrument opens Danse Macabre? Is it A. Solo violin, B. Flute, C. Drums, or D. Piano? The correct answer is A. Solo violin. What does Danse Macabre translate to? Is it A. Dance of Death, B. Dance of Shadows, C. Dance of Spirits, or D. Dance of Life? The correct answer is A. Dance of Death. What theme is prevalent in Danse Macabre? Is it A. Mortality, B. Immortality, C. Celebration, or D. Adventure? The correct answer is A. Mortality. In which key is Danse Macabre composed? Is it A. G minor, B. C minor, C. D major, or D. A major? The correct answer is A. G minor. What genre does Danse Macabre belong to? Is it A. Symphonic suite, B. Ballet, C. Opera, or D. Symphonic poem? The correct answer is D. Symphonic poem. Which city hosted the premiere of Danse Macabre? Is it A. London, B. Berlin, C. Paris, or D. New York? The correct answer is C. Paris. What type of music is Danse Macabre considered? Is it A. Classical, B. Rock, C. Jazz, or D. Hip-hop? The correct answer is A. Classical. What image does Danse Macabre primarily evoke? Is it A. Resting animals, B. Dancing skeletons, C. Joyful children, or D. Haunting ghosts? The correct answer is B. Dancing skeletons. What type of narrative is present in Danse Macabre? Is it A. Biographical, B. Allegorical, C. Autobiographical, or D. Historical? The correct answer is B. Allegorical. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.